If you live in a small apartment, finding space for everything can be a challenge. The right products can make your home more organized and functional. In this video, we'll show you smart Amazon finds for tiny apartments that help you save space and keep your home looking great. All product links are in the description. Let's get started. Number 1. Voipvvii Folding Hand Truck. This folding hand truck makes moving heavy items easy and stress-free. Its strong load capacity helps you carry boxes, groceries, or luggage without effort. The 6-wheel design provides smooth and stable movement, even on rough surfaces. Plus, the foldable and compact design makes it easy to store in small apartments or car trunks. Number 2. Murphy Bed Cabinet. This smart furniture piece is perfect for tiny apartments where space is limited. It easily folds into a cabinet during the day and turns into a comfortable bed at night. The space-saving design helps keep your room neat and organized, while the sturdy wooden frame provides strong support and durability. Number 3. Kitstorack Clear Plastic Underbed Storage. This underbed storage box is perfect for keeping your home organized while saving space. The clear plastic design lets you easily see what's inside, so you don't have to open every box. Its low-profile design fits neatly under most beds, making it great for storing clothes, shoes, blankets, or seasonal items. Number 4. Clothes Drying Rack. This clothes drying rack is a great solution for drying laundry in small spaces. The foldable design saves space when not in use, making it perfect for tiny apartments. Its multiple bars provide plenty of room to dry clothes, and the sturdy frame keeps it stable and durable for everyday use. Number 5. Freebat Bed Sheet Organizers. These bed sheet organizers help keep your linen closet neat and clutter-free. The structured design neatly stores folded sheets, pillowcases, and bedding sets so everything stays in one place. Their compact shape saves closet space, and the clear label window helps you quickly identify what's inside, making your storage more organized and convenient. Number 6. LED Floor Lamp. This LED floor lamp is perfect for adding bright and stylish lighting to small spaces. The slim design fits easily into tight corners, saving valuable floor space in tiny apartments. It provides soft, energy-efficient lighting that is great for reading, relaxing, or working, while the modern look enhances your room's decor. Link in the description. Number 7. Function Home 13 gallons Tilt-Out Trash Cabinet. This tilt-out trash cabinet helps keep your kitchen clean and organized while hiding the trash bin. The tilt-out design makes it easy to throw away waste, while the cabinet style keeps the trash hidden for a neat look. Its top surface can also be used for storage or decoration, making it a smart space-saving solution. Number 8. BEDRED Dehumidifier. This compact dehumidifier helps remove excess moisture from the air, keeping your room fresh and comfortable. It reduces humidity to prevent mold, dampness, and musty odors, creating a healthier living space. The compact size is perfect for small rooms or apartments, and its quiet, energy-efficient operation makes it great for bedrooms, bathrooms, or offices. Number 9. Midea Single Reversible Door Refrigerator. This compact refrigerator is perfect for tiny apartments, dorm rooms, or offices. The reversible door design lets you open it from either side, making it easy to fit in different spaces. It provides efficient cooling while using less space, and the adjustable shelves help you organize drinks, snacks, and food easily. Number 10. SPACELEAD Slim Storage Cart. This slim storage cart is perfect for making use of narrow spaces in your home. The slim design easily fits between appliances, cabinets, or bathroom gaps, helping you maximize unused space. It features multiple shelves for organizing kitchen items, toiletries, or cleaning supplies, and the rolling wheels make it easy to move around whenever needed. Link in the description. Number 11. TuoxinEM Storage Cabinet. This compact storage cabinet is a great way to keep your home organized without taking up much space. The multi-layer design provides extra storage for clothes, accessories, or household items. Its lightweight and space-saving structure fits easily in small rooms, and the simple design blends well with any home decor. Link in the description. Number 12. Zomfy Vintage Area Rug. This vintage area rug adds warmth and style to any room, while making your space feel more comfortable. The soft material provides a cozy feel under your feet, perfect for living rooms or bedrooms. Its stylish vintage design enhances your home decor, while the durable fabric makes it suitable for everyday use. Link in the description. Number 13. Keter City Outdoor Storage Box. This outdoor storage box is perfect for keeping your items organized while saving space. It provides extra storage for cushions, tools, or outdoor accessories, helping keep your area clutter-free. The compact and durable design is weather-resistant, and the top surface can also be used as extra seating or a small table. Number 14. AZERPIAN Plant Stand. This plant stand is a great way to display your plants while saving floor space. The multi-tier design allows you to place multiple plants in one spot, making your room look more organized and stylish. Its sturdy structure keeps plants stable, while the compact vertical design is perfect for small apartments. Number 15. ASAKUKI Essential Oil Diffuser. This essential oil diffuser helps create a calm and relaxing atmosphere in your home. It spreads pleasant aromas throughout the room, making your space feel fresh and comfortable. The humidifying feature adds moisture to the air, and the compact design fits perfectly in bedrooms, living rooms, or offices. Link in the description. Number 16. OPTIXCELL Reading Pillow for Lap Desk. This reading pillow lap desk is perfect for working, reading, or using a laptop comfortably in bed or on the couch. The soft pillow base provides comfortable support, while the flat surface keeps your laptop or book stable. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to use anywhere in your home. Number 17. WeAQUA Removable Shower Head Filter. This shower head filter helps improve the quality of your shower water. It removes impurities, chlorine, and heavy particles, making the water gentler on your skin and hair. This can help reduce dryness, irritation, and hair damage. The easy installation fits most standard showers, and it provides a cleaner, healthier, and more refreshing shower experience every day. Number 18. ZZR7 Portable Washing Machine. This portable washing machine is perfect for small apartments, dorm rooms, or travel. The compact and foldable design saves space, making it easy to store when not in use. It helps wash small loads like socks, underwear, and baby clothes quickly, saving time and effort. The lightweight and portable design lets you use it anywhere with ease. Number 19. Mushroom Stool Chair. This mushroom stool chair adds a stylish and modern look to any room, while providing comfortable seating. The compact design makes it perfect for small apartments, and it can be used as a chair, footrest, or small side table. Its soft and ergonomic seat provides comfort, while the unique mushroom shape enhances your home decor. Link in the description. Number 20. Sturdy Wooden Coat Tree with 8 hooks. This wooden coat tree is a simple and practical way to keep your entryway organized. The 8 hooks provide plenty of space for coats, hats, bags, and scarves, helping reduce clutter. Its vertical design saves floor space, making it perfect for small apartments or hallways. The sturdy wooden structure keeps it stable and durable for everyday use. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. All product links are in the description below.